Welcome. Today we will explore how ASP.NET integrates with the .NET MAUI for cross-platform development. .NET MAUI or Multi-Platform App UI is a framework for building native applications across multiple platforms using a single code base. Its main purposes are to enable cross-platform development, allow a single code base, and deliver native performance on different devices. ASP.NET can be used to build the backend services for .NET MAUI applications, enabling dynamic web content and APIs. You can create RESTful APIs with the ASP.NET Core that .NET MAUI applications can consume, allowing data exchange between the client and the server. Benefits include a consistent development experience, reusable code across platforms, and robust community support. You can create a sample application in .NET MAUI that interact with an ASP.NET Core backend for data management. Deployment includes publishing your ASP.NET APIs on a web server and deploying your .NET MAUI apps to various app stores. Using ASP.NET with .NET MAUI allows you to build powerful cross-platform applications that leverage the strength of both frameworks. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on technology.